A single AI model just replaced what used to take a team of 5 security analysts. In 2026, companies are using large language models to do continuous threat monitoring, vulnerability scanning, and incident response automatically. What used to cost $500,000 a year in salaries now runs for under $1,000 a month in API costs. But here's the angle most people miss. This doesn't just cut jobs. It creates a massive new market for people who know how to deploy, configure, and operate these AI security stacks. The businesses that can't afford a full security team. Small e-commerce shops, startups, local businesses. They still need protection. They're sitting ducks. And they'll pay good money for someone who can set up an AI-powered security layer for them. This is called a security as a service model. You build the stack once. You sell access to multiple clients. Recurring monthly revenue. Minimal ongoing work. The core stack looks like this. An AI model monitors logs and flags anomalies. A vulnerability scanner runs weekly on all their web assets. An alerting system pings you when something critical appears. You review, advise, and charge a monthly retainer. 3 clients at $2,000 a month each is $6,000 in recurring revenue. Scale to 20 clients and you're clearing $40,000 a month without hiring anyone. The tools exist, the clients exist, the gap is the person who puts it together. That's the opportunity sitting in front of you right now. Visit leoai.cloud to learn how we build AI security infrastructure for businesses. Subscribe for more.